What's going on, everybody? It's Gone Turbo here. This is Skyrim Special Edition on Xbox One. In today's video, we're going to look at two mods. One is Grim Weathers and Lighting. This is a mod that is a work in progress right now as of middle of January 2019. And this aims to give Skyrim a dark and unpleasant experience. Clear days will have the highest priority in most regions, but that doesn't mean it won't turn nasty. Overcast, rain, and storm days are very dark. All interiors have new lighting. There's improved textures for fire embers compatible with player homes, and 4 different types of rain, 4 different types of snow. And this is another mod by Tarl and ported over by Skeletor. Some of the settings that it is suggesting, similar to Obscura Weathers and Lighting, which I just took a peek at recently, is to set in-game brightness to about 5 clicks less than maximum, and with display enhancements to reduce saturation and contrast by 2. So as we take a look at this, I've not reduced saturation, and I've only reduced contrast by 1, I believe. With two reduction of saturation, it's pretty washed out. Well, not washed out, it's just obviously less saturated. So with the regular saturation, again, it's all personal preference when it comes to saturation, but I think it looks pretty good with just normal saturation. So this is midday. This mod looks nice for midday, and I don't have any eye adaptation things happening. This is straight up as this mod's supposed to be. But let's just go ahead, and I know it's kind of against the rules to change weather mid-game, but I do want to give it a little try here. See what happens. Well, at least we can take a peek. The sky looks really nice. I don't know if this is just my imagination, but it's a nice, rich, like a summertime blue. A little bit of a far distant haze there that I like. So just to give this a little bit of a change here. Nice fog happening. No seams in the sky on this part anyway. Again, I don't have true storms going on here. Cloudy. For cloudy, that's definitely almost foggy. Some cloudy when it comes to some mods is just more cloud. It's just cloudy. So again, kind of that vanilla rain texture. I typically add it true storms to any weather mod just because I love that kind of rain texture. I do have Minty's lightning as well. See if we get any lightning strikes here. Maybe not. There we go. Alright. Let's go back to clear. Let's just play with some time here. A little bit of sunset. The sunset coloring seems a little bit more along the Mythical Ages line. Kind of that purpley blue that happens during sunset with Mythical Ages. Similar here. Oh, that's very nice. Sun's going down quick. I did find with just a little bit of playing with this, the contrast is very heavy. Like you can see here, the how dark this is, and again, I don't have any eye adaptation happening, so this is pitch black on my display. I don't know. Let's just try a torch here. Everyone's display is different. When it comes to contrast in dark areas and in black, I find that if I have a high contrast lighting mod, it doesn't look good on my display, and I don't know if it's just me, not having really compared anything else, but it looks just too grainy and gritty. So, all right. So that's that. Grim weathers and lighting. Let's go back to midday. There's another mod I wanted to try, and I want to see if it is even. Check it out, y'all. Dwarven Motorcycle. Woo! So this mod, I think it's got a little license plate on there with the lights. Oh my god. Alright, this mod is, we gotta pull this up real quick. I saw this and I thought, I am definitely trying this. We're gonna see how this works. Let's load up our mods here. I want to show you this in the load order. I place this towards the bottom, and alright. Yeah, Dwarven Motorcycle Special Edition. It's almost 2 megabytes. It adds a Dwarven Motorcycle in the Whiterun stables with a Dwarven Mistress. Oh. The motorbike is essential. You cannot break it. And the Dwarven Mistress is essential. And motorbike is based, animations in particular, on the skeleton of a horse. So sounds related to the horse are impossible to make disappear. So let's see what happens. Yeah. Oh my god, this thing goes fast. Look at my character's like, ooh. You pop a wheelie. You can hear the gallop. Oh, you can fast it. Oh my god, it's funny. This thing's gonna crash. My game's gonna crash. Oh man, look at that thing. With the wheels spinning. It's cool. It's kind of silly, but I guess you can get from point A to point B pretty fast. We're gonna test this full bore. Let's see. Let's head. Try to think of a good straightaway. I guess we could do this. That way's pretty straight up that way. All right, here we go. I have faster horses mod. This seems to be going a little faster than, I don't know, is it going a little faster than that mod? Let's see if we can get this thing to, let's see how this loading, look at my grass isn't even popping up. I'm galloping on the motorcycle. Ah! Some massive loading pauses there. So my grass isn't even popping up fast enough. What's up, yo? Whoa! I wonder if I take it off a cliff if it'll get a horse sound. Ooh! It's got like a bottle in the back, and a satchel, to the shield. This thing's pretty. It's pretty rad. All right. I guess we left this mistress behind. Where's the mistress? Let's head on back to. Whoa, 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 whoa. A little hard to control, I'm not gonna lie. don't even know if I'm heading in the right direction. The hell am I going? Yeah, a little hard to control. Excuse me, pardon me. So I believe this is the only vehicle to ever exist in Skyrim. A little disturbing with the animation there, but motorcycle sound would have been cool with this. I know it's, according to the mod author, not possible, but would have been cool to have some sort of sound to it. Some nice this loud pipe sound. Alright. Oh, there's a... Oh, there we go. Oh, there's the mistress, Dwarven mistress. Take them baffles out. Look at this. Here's the Dwarven mistress. Interesting. So we have like a drugger body and plated with Dwarven armor. A little braid. That's neat. Let's see if it probably doesn't talk, right? No. Wait there. Yeah, okay. It's now following. So this now following. Oh, I said wait there. Anyway. Anyway, that's what she looks like. Kind of cool. Do you have a weapon? Are you following? Wait there. What do I have to do? I don't know. I'm just testing it out anyway. Nothing I'm gonna keep in my load order, but anyway. Pretty cool. Alright, ladies and gents. So today I want to look at these two mods and have a little bit of fun with that. In an upcoming video, I want to look at a, let's see what it's called here, a Clutter, a Ruins Clutter mod. Just came out recently, and decided that I had just enough room in my load order. I have 86 megabytes of free space left. I don't know how I pulled that off when typically I get the, not enough storage because of ghost space and all that stuff. But Ruins Clutter, with a patch that goes along with graphics pack. I want to give that a highlight. And some of you have asked me to do a new load order video. So with testing out some of these weather and lighting mods, maybe perhaps deciding on which one would be good moving forward, and some of these other new mods here, I will be creating a load order video sometime soon. So thanks y'all for watching. It's been Gone Turbo, and I'll talk to you again soon.